thunderstorm just rumbling out there, man. They ain't even drizzling yet. It's just thunder, rumbling. Messy day. Very messy day. It's alright though. We got stuff to do, and we gonna get it done.
What the fuck do you want me to talk?
I want you to win a ticket.
Get the fuck out of here! Now! This what the winning team look like. You switching up on your boy Priest so quick.
Priest my boy, not no more. Them days old.
Priest still in town?
Yeah. We trying to make a move.
Something to eat, man. Home. In pain. Thunderstorm all day. It's very thunderstorms. Don't look like it, but it's very thunderstorms all day. Just rumbling too. I don't get no copyright. I tell you, man. Pain ain't no joke, boy.
Destiny. No. That was too messy.
Mariah was my best friend. Turns out she was blaming me all along. She wanted Jacob. She wanted my life. But I was too blind to see it. What makes you think that? It wasn't just the late nights, the parties. She was always there. Always whispering in my ear, trying to turn me against her. I let her. She made you believe Jacob was wrong. That you deserve more. And what happened? Jacob never seen it coming.
Dakota!
Even after all I've put him through, he loved me. I knew it.
Dakota! Where you at? You were right this entire time.
It's something